Hi there, students. Overfond. Overfond, one word. This is a really good word for your exams, particularly for an exam writing. So I'm very fat because I'm overfond of oily foods. I'm overfond of bacon and things like that. Yeah, I have an overfondness for. So notice with this, to be overfond of, to have an overfondness for. So overfond as an adjective of, but overfondness noun for something. Okay, so this teacher is overfond of punishing the students for the slightest indiscretions. Yeah, for the slightest mistakes. Yeah, he's excessively keen on this. He's overfond of this. He's rather overfond of criticizing people. And also, this is a word you can use in the negative as well, to say you don't like. So I'm not overfond of touchy-feely people. I'm not overfond of cats, for example. Yeah, they don't drive me crazy. I'm not absolutely mad about them. Okay, so overfond, to be overfond of something, to like it too much. This government is overfond of increasing taxes. People say that I'm overfond of whiskey. Yeah. Okay, so I think nowadays people are overfond of taking selfies. Yeah. It's something I've noticed. People are also overfond of chatting on their phones with their friends while they are in company of other people. My girlfriend's parents are not overfond of me. Yeah, it's a way to say they don't like me very much. Okay, so to be overfond of something, or to be overfond of someone, to like too much, to have too great an affection for. Yeah, I've been getting rather overfond of these cream cakes that this bakery makes, and they're not very good for me. Yeah, I think he's rather overfond of a lazy lifestyle. He's overfond of lying on the couch doing nothing. Yeah, he's excessively fond of this. He has an overfondness for this. Yeah. For example, the disease gout that you get in your feet comes from an overfondness of rich foods and red wines and things like that. Okay, so overfond of. People criticize me for being overfond of Latin people. Okay, overfond. So overfond of, to like too much. Yeah, and not overfond of, you don't like very much. Yeah. Okay. He's rather overfond. Notice as well, this is a post-positive adjective. You can't say an overfond person. Somebody is overfond of something, excessively keen on. Yeah, he's overfond of telling people what to do. I'm not overfond of his pets because they're not very nice animals, really. Okay, so overfond, to be overfond of, an overfondness for. Okay, but notice, overfond as an adjective, it's a post-positive adjective. Yeah, an overfond pet. No, he's overfond of his pet. You use this post-positively, so that's another interesting point to it. Okay, formality, overfond of. 4.5 informality, use informally, use semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Overfond, not overfond of. I'm not sure I would use it in something very formal, but I think that's the only limit. And this is the origin over fond. We have this fond is a Middle English word from fonnen, to be foolish, to be simple. I think this is also related to fon, meaning fun as well. So enough. If you enjoyed this video, give it a rating. You couldn't be over fond of a video like this because it's just so good. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Overfond of and overfondness for.